Hi kids, welcome to Alphabet Town. Press the buttons to learn about my town. A says A. A is for ambulance. Dial 999 for emergencies. B says B. B is for bus. Hop aboard. C says K. K is for clock. What's the time? D says D. D is for dentist. What a beautiful smile. E says E. E is for exit. See you soon. F says F. F is for fountain. Make a wish. G says G. G is for garage. Oh no, I've broken down. H says H. H is for hospital. Hope you're feeling better. I says I. I is for insect. It's very small. J says J. J is for junction. Don't forget to stop. K says K. K is for kite. Up, up and away. L says L. L is for library. Shh, quiet. People are reading. M says M. M is for market. What shall we buy? N says N. N is for newspaper. Read all about it. O says O. O is for onion. Chop it up. P says P. P is for park. Let's play on the swings. Q says Qu. Qu is for queen. A very special visitor. R says R. R is for railway. Keep off the track. S says S. S is for school. Let's learn. T says T. T is for train. The train goes fast. U says U. U is for umbrella. It's raining. V says V. V is for van. It's a delivery. W says W. W is for window. Let's look outside. X says X. X is for X-ray. Look at all the bones. Y says Y. Y is for yo-yo. Up and down. Watch it roll. Z says Z. Z is for zoo. Look at all the animals. Are you ready for a tour? Come on. We are at the exit. Let's go to the hospital. Press the hospital. Hospital. Hope you're feeling better. Well done. Let's find the kite. Press the kite. Kite. Up, up and away. Excellent. Our last stop is the park. Press the park. Park. Let's play on the swings. Wow, you're so clever. Let's play again. We are at the market. Let's go to the park. Park. Let's play on the swings. Well done. I'm lost. Can you help me find the place? It's near the kite library. It's near the insect junction. Don't forget to stop. Listen, what makes this sound? Van. It's near the ambulance. Bus. Hop aboard. Excellent. Can you help me find it? It's near the Queen Park. It begins with the letter R. Railway. Keep off the track. Well done. Come on, let's learn to spell some words. Park is spelt P-A-R-K. Press the letters to spell park. P-A-R-K. Park. Let's play on the swings. Excellent. Can you count the lights with me? Press the lights to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Let's learn about time. Can you set the clock to 7 o'clock? 7 o'clock. Time to read the newspaper. Wow, you're so clever! Can you set the clock to 1 o'clock? Let's go to the market. 4 o'clock. Let's go to the fountain and make a wish. 9 o'clock. Time to go to school. 11 o'clock. It's feeding time at the zoo. 5 o'clock. Let's buy an onion for dinner. 10 o'clock. Let's fly a kite. Come on, let's have music fun. Press the buttons to play. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. 12 o'clock. Let's have lunch in the park. 2 o'clock. Time to take your books back to the library. 3 o'clock. Let's play in the park. 6 o'clock. Time to catch the bus. 8 o'clock. Let's play with the yo-yo. Come and visit the town again. Goodbye.